Morning. We are off to Donington this morning for another track day, and it appears to be a bit of a shitter.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream.
So I'm going to go anyway, because it could dry up, and it could dry up pretty quickly, so it's probably worth me going just to, even if I get one session on the new RSV4 1100 factory, it'll be worth it. It's too late to get money back, and I might learn something. I'm certainly not going to ride around in the rain on the brand new bike. Jesus, excuse the bags under my eyes and lockdown hair. So yeah, look, let's go. Let's be positive. It could brighten up later, and if not, what else have we got to do?
So, we're on our way to Donington and it is miserable. First time I've taken a bike to the track, and taking a 215 brake horsepower motorcycle on a track day in this weather is probably not the best idea in the world, to be honest. But if it rains like this, if the track's not dry, I ain't going to be riding. I'm just going down on the off chance that things brighten up. Although if you look at the clouds this morning, it's not looking good. Although the weather forecast, to be fair, for later on today does sort of show a potential gap, but whether it's going to be enough to dry up the track for a dry session is debatable. You might see I've got some new levers on here already. First thing I did is put some RSV adjustable levers on the clutch. On this bike, for whatever reason, I've got little girly hands, so the clutch was like really big, like a really massive throw. But these levers look cool. I've got a Gilles or Julia's brake guard on here as well. If nothing else, it looks cool. I'll do a video on that. I've got a few more mods that I need to put on as well, but I'll do a video when I finish on all the different things I've tweaked on the bike. But look, just a quick check-in really. Off to Donington now. I'll catch up with you all later. But it is going to be a miserable journey on the M1, so wish me luck. Well, that was the most eventful motorway journey I've ever been on. Absolutely terrified. It pissed it down the whole way from Sheffield to Donington, like literally pissed it down. It's not too bad, but the main problem is lorries and the spray that comes off lorries. There was one point where I could literally barely see, and because obviously I'm a fucking numpty, I forgot to put my clear visor on this morning, didn't I? So not only is that, but I've also got a mirrored visor on, which is less than ideal. The weather's absolutely awful. But look, we're here, just around the corner now from Donington, made it in one piece, so yeah, let's see what the track looks like later. Well, here we are. I'm absolutely soaked through. I just want to get my levers off, to be honest.
Well, we made it. I actually managed to get garage 1. It's absolutely soaking. We got a sausage sandwich though. Look at the state of the weather. I am not convinced that this is going to dry. But look, we'll see. we've got a garage, we've got a sausage sandwich, we've got a cup of tea. We just have to wait and see what happens. Worst case, we'll get some footage of crackpots riding around in the rain in the fast group, so we'll see. But I certainly am not going to be riding the RSV4 1100 in the rain, that's for sure. So they've just let the first lot of riders out in the fast group, otherwise known as the fucking maniac group. It's absolutely piss wet through, look. Track is absolutely soaking wet. I ain't going out in this, I've got super courses on, but I thought I'd try and film some of these crackpots for you at least and show you, hang on a minute. It should be coming round Goddard's any minute now. The track is absolutely drenched. The weather looks like it might brighten up a bit, but it's cold and I can't see it. I can't see it drying up enough to get a dry line. I've got a brand new bike, super coarser tyres on. Not ideal. I can hear them coming. Here we go. I'm actually surprised there's not been a red flag yet. Donington's notoriously slippy in the wet. That being said, these are the fast guys. And here we go. They've got about a 3-minute lap. May as well take you and show you a bit of the old bike porn while we're here. There's some pretty tasty things here, so might not get much track time, but I'll take you and let you have a look around. One here is particularly interesting to me. Talking to that chap earlier who got the 2019 one, he's got a pretty cool paint job on it. I don't know what you think about that, but I'm just looking for some inspiration on what to do to mine next. Got some nice carbon wings on it as well, like a gloss carbon. I think they look pretty cool. I've just ordered some carbon for mine, but I've ordered it in matte. I'll have to have a think about that and see what it looks like. But yeah, that's just a taste. And what you may or may not have noticed is mine is the only bike here in this entire paddock today with a license plate. That means I'm the only knobhead who has ridden down in the pissing rain on his own bike. Literally every other person here has come in a van. They've got gazebos, trailers, they're all nice and dry. I'm the only one with wet feet and flip-flops. Lunchtime, it's still raining. I've eaten all my sandwiches. Weather's not getting any better, so I'm going to call it a day. There's no way I'm riding my brand new 215 brake horsepower bike around with sticky super coarse tyres in the pissing down rain. It's just not happening. So I'm going to live to fight another day. I'm back here soon on the 20th anyway. So we'll call it a day for today. So sorry there's not been any riding on this, but hopefully it's been half interesting. I'll show you some of the cool bikes that are here and a few of the crackpot fast guys on trike. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like the videos, if you could hit the like and subscribe button, it really does help me out and I appreciate it. So thanks for all the new subscribers lately as well. So many positive comments, and trust me, I read every single one and I really appreciate it. So thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one.
I'm seeing shimmer